Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of OBS Explained, a YouTube video series where I try my best to explain everything about OBS Studio to you. Today we will take a closer look at another tab in settings, and that is Stream tab. And oh boy, I have a feeling this one will be a little bit complicated, even though there isn't a lot of settings. At the time of recording, there is almost 90 streaming services you can pick from, but I will go only through two I think most used, and that is Twitch and YouTube. So I'm sorry OnlyFans models, but in this video I won't help you to set up your live stream on your platform. Now let me show you how the stream setting looks like. Those are the stream settings. At the very top you have a service drop-down menu where you can pick your service as mentioned earlier. So first I'm going to select Twitch and we will take a look at that, and afterwards I will move to YouTube. After selecting Twitch, you will get a destination tab with two options, which are connect account and it says recommended, and the second one, which is a little bit older, and it says use stream key. Once you click connect account, a window will pop up with Twitch login. After you log in and authorize OBS to use your stream key, a few more settings will appear in your stream tab. First group of settings is called destination, and you have two settings here. First one is server on which you will stream. You can, and you probably should, keep it on auto, which is recommended, since this setting will select closest server to you with smallest ping. Second setting here is disconnect account, which will, as it says, disconnect your Twitch account from OBS and you won't be able to stream since your stream key will be disconnected. Next one is a group of settings under category multi-track video, and first setting available is enable enhanced broadcasting. But before that you have an information note that says enhanced broadcasting automatically optimize your stream settings to encode and send multiple video qualities to Twitch. Selecting this option will send Twitch information about your computer and software setup. Basically what this setting does, it will create multiple transcodes of your stream. So if you stream in 1080p, it will create a transcode for 720p and 480p. So people with slower internet connection or older devices can also watch your stream without any inconveniences like buffering or lagging. And if you enable this setting, you will unlock two additional settings, and that is maximum streaming bandwidth and maximum video tracks. Both of those settings have option to be set to auto or adjusted manually. Setting both of these settings to auto is recommended by Twitch, and after that something called Twitch Inspector will check your PC and internet connection and set those two automatically, or you can limit them manually to save some resources like network bandwidth or GPU encoding capacity. And this limitation can help your PC run smoother. First one, maximum streaming bandwidth, is limiting your network bandwidth that will be sent to Twitch. I believe that a lot of you guys already seen those tables where you can see what bandwidth you have to set in your OBS for certain quality of your stream. So you can limit it a little bit here to save some resources. If you are streaming in 1080p, you don't have to set it to max that your internet connection is possible to get. You really won't get better quality out of that. And second one, maximum video tracks, which I believe should be setting for how many quality tracks you will get. So for example, if you set it to 3, you will be able to stream in 1080p, 720p and 480p. But honestly, I'm not sure with that. So if I'm wrong, feel free to correct me in comments. And I guess I would keep that settings on auto as well. The second group of settings is advanced options. First you have here Twitch add-ons, and here in drop-down menu you will get a list of all the add-ons that are connected to your channel. So before selecting it here, you have to connect your account to the add-on. You have options to select either none of them or one specific or all of them. Then you have an option with checkbox enable bandwidth test mode. And this feature is really helpful. Once you check it and start streaming, you actually won't go live. Just your OBS will be acting like you are live. So you can check if everything is running smoothly, make adjustments so everything will be ready and working for your stream. Just remember that when you want to go live, you have to return back here and uncheck this setting. And the second checkbox in this block of settings is Ignore Streaming Service Settings Recommendation. And you probably can see two lines of text underneath, where one is maximum video bitrate and second one is maximum audio bitrate. So if you check this box, your OBS will ignore those two settings in your output settings, which I will be talking about in another video. It will not allow your video bitrate to be higher than 6000 kilobits per second and your audio bitrate to be higher than 320 kilobits per second. This can be a simple solution if you set your bitrate too high because you thought it will improve your quality of stream. Naive. And you will get some blurry frames or your stream is lagging. So remember, if you are having this kind of problems, next time try to check this box. Next option that you have instead of linking your Twitch account is to use stream key, and you have to manually copy and paste your stream key from your Twitch account. Just remember that you are not supposed to show your stream key to anyone. Once you select this option and copy your stream key here, you will have pretty much same options, just very few of them will be different. First thing that will be different is in destination group, and there you will have an extra your stream key. So once again, don't show your key to anyone, and if by some unlucky accident you will leak it, just go to your Twitch account, generate new one and paste it here, and don't forget to apply settings afterwards. Multi-track video settings are same, there is no change. And in advanced options you are missing your Twitch add-ons, so you have to set them from browser extensions, and also you are missing bandwidth test mode to test your stream before you go live if everything is working. But this can be solved pretty easily. If you want to run test stream, just type $bandwidth test at the end of your stream key and you will run your test stream. After your test stream is over, don't forget to delete that command from your stream key so you will go live properly. Second streaming platform that I'm going to show you is YouTube, and with YouTube you have two options, either YouTube HLS or YouTube RTMPS. So first I should probably tell you the difference between those two, right? Let's do it quick and to the point, because I believe you don't want to have a deep dive into that. HLS is better for higher resolution like 4K since it supports HEVC codec, but it's not good for ultra low latency. On the other hand, RTMPS is exactly opposite, so great for ultra low latency, but not good for high resolutions. Now let's start with YouTube HLS. Once you select this option, let's move to first group of options, that is destination. In the first setting, server, you have in drop-down two options, primary YouTube ingest server and backup YouTube ingest server, instead of selecting country like it was in Twitch options. So what are those? Primary YouTube ingest server is your mainstream device and you want to use that mostly. Backup, like its name says, is there for backup when primary server fails, but you have to set it on separate device, and if there is a problem on your stream on main device and it stops working, it will change to backup and your stream will continue from secondary device. And right below you have two similar options that are connect account, which will connect your YouTube account and get your stream key for you, or advanced option to use stream key. Both of those options work exactly like in Twitch settings. There is literally no change. After that, there is a group of advanced options, and once again you only have checkbox to ignore streaming service settings recommendations. It works exactly like in Twitch, there is only difference in limits, so for video bitrate limit is 51K and for audio bitrate limit is 160 kilobits per second instead of 320. And now we can move to last service, which is YouTube RTMPS. And there is literally no difference in settings between YouTube HSL and RTMPS. So all set above applies here. Same options for using stream key, either connecting account or using stream key, and also same options to ignore streaming service settings recommendations. And that is everything to be seen here in Stream tab. I think it is pretty cool that OBS is giving you option to link your accounts, so everything will be set really fast and it is easier for more people to start streaming. On the other hand, I'm kinda old school and have trust issues about linking accounts. It might be stupid, but I feel safer using stream keys to connect my stream. Anyway, I hope everything was clear to you and you enjoyed this video. If so, consider to like this video and maybe even subscribe to the channel so you will not miss next episode where I dive deeper into